If you work from home and spend most of your day sitting, this video is for you. Sitting for hours quietly destroys your posture, drains your energy, and kills your focus. Covering the 7 best under-desk treadmills in 2026, from ultra-budget walking pads to a powerhouse machine built for serious daily use. All links are in the description. Stick around till the end. The #1 pick does something no other treadmill on this list can. Starting at number 7, the Superun Walking Pad. The best ultra-budget walking pad for anyone who wants to stop sitting all day. 8 hours into your workday, you haven't moved since lunch, and your back is telling you about it. The Superun fixes that. No assembly, plug in and walk. First, a slim 4.17-inch profile that slides under any desk and stores flat under a bed or couch. Next, a remote and LED display showing speed, time, distance, and calories. Stay focused without looking down. Finally, a quiet 2.5 horsepower motor running under 45 decibels. Nobody on your call will hear it. Cons: walking only, 3.8 miles per hour cap, no incline, 300-pound weight limit. Best for first-time buyers, budget shoppers, apartment dwellers. Not for users over 300 pounds or anyone wanting incline. At $98.98, the Superun is the lowest risk way to start. At number 6, DeerRun Walking Pad. The best step-up budget option for desk workers who want something they can actually trust. Here's the frustration with unknown budget pads. You plug them in, the belt slips within weeks, and you're back shopping for a replacement. DeerRun solves that. First, a consistent 2.5 horsepower motor built for daily desk use without performance drop-off over time. Next, dual app and remote control via the PitPat platform. Track speed, steps, calories, and distance without interrupting your workflow. Finally, a no-assembly design ready straight out of the box. Unfold, plug in, and walk in 2 minutes. Cons: walking only, 3.8 miles per hour cap, no incline, 300-pound weight limit. Best for desk walkers wanting proven reliability on budget. Not for users wanting incline or running. At $119.99, the DeerRun is budget done right. This is it. Coming in at number 5, the Abonow Walking Pad with Incline. The first treadmill here that adds incline without a premium price. Here's the problem. Walk at 2 miles per hour on 0 incline every day, and your body adapts. Calorie burn drops, progress stalls. The Abonow breaks that. First, adjustable manual incline. More muscles engaged, more calories burned than any flat pad below it. Next, a 2.5 horsepower motor with a 5-layer shock-absorbing belt cushioning joints and keeping noise low for calls. Finally, a compact wheeled build that stores under any desk, sofa, or bed in seconds. Cons: 265-pound capacity. Speed tops at 3.8 miles per hour. Incline is manual, not motorized. Best for active desk walkers ready for a real step up. Not for users over 265 pounds or anyone wanting auto incline. At $124.98, the Abonow is where budget meets real results. Want incline without the premium cost? This gets it done. At number 4, the Sperax Pro Max. A walking pad and vibration plate combined in one compact unit. Here's the problem with single-function pads. After 8 hours desk walking, your legs are tired, but your body hasn't recovered. A proper break still needs a separate device. The Sperax Pro Max changes that. First, 4-in-1 modes: walking pad, vibration plate, combined, or flat. 4 uses, 1 machine. Next, 4 vibration levels that accelerate muscle recovery, improve circulation, and burn extra calories during standing breaks. Finally, a 350-pound capacity with app tracking. Walk during work, switch to vibration on breaks, monitor everything hands-free. Cons: vibration intensity takes adjustment, walking tops at 4 miles per hour, and the feature set adds bulk. Best for work-from-home professionals wanting walking and recovery combined. Not for users wanting a simple pad or running speeds. At $149.99, the Pro Max delivers more than anything below it. This is it. At number 3, the UREVO Strol 2E, the best 2-in-1 for people who want desk walking during the day and a real run when the workday ends. Here's the issue with most convertible treadmills. The running mode tops out at a speed that barely qualifies as a fast shuffle. Not this one. First, a 2.25 continuous horsepower motor reaching 6.2 miles per hour, delivering a workout, not a token effort. Next, a foldable safety handle that switches modes in seconds. Handle down for silent desk walking, handle up for a supported run. Finally, a dual LED display, readable whether seated at your desk or upright at full stride. Cons: shorter deck limits stride for taller users, no incline. Best for remote workers wanting real desk walking and real evening runs. Not for tall runners or anyone wanting incline. At $199.99, the Strol 2E is the most capable 2-in-1 on this list. This is it. Quick reminder, if this is helping you narrow things down, hit that like button and subscribe. All product links are in the description. Now get to the top 2 picks. At number 2, the FUNMILY Desk Treadmill. The only machine here that solves your walk and work setup in one purchase. Here's the problem nobody mentions until after they buy. You get a walking pad, then realize your desk is too low. Now you need a standing desk too. 2 purchases, 2 setups. The FUNMILY eliminates that. First, a built-in height-adjustable desktop, desk and treadmill in one integrated system, designed to work together from day one. Next, 15% motorized incline with a 3.5 horsepower motor reaching 7.5 miles per hour. This crosses from walking pad into real training equipment. Finally, a 450-pound capacity with built-in Bluetooth speaker, highest on this list, built for more users, with audio that keeps sessions engaging. Cons: larger footprint, heavier to move, and the integrated desk adds complexity simpler machines avoid. Best for work-from-home professionals wanting one complete home office system. Not for small spaces or anyone needing portability. At $209.99, the FUNMILY is your active office. This is it. Now, the number 1 pick, the most performance-packed machine here, built for walkers who mean real business. Here it is. The number 1 best Under Desk Treadmill in 2026 is the TRAILVIBER, the most capable machine here, built like real equipment, not a consumer gadget. Most walking pads are built for light occasional use. The TRAILVIBER was built for people who walk every single day, demand results, and refuse to compromise. First, 12% 9-level automatic incline adjustable at a single touch, no manual cranking, no workflow interruption. Calorie burn climbs with every session. Second, a 450-pound reinforced steel frame, highest capacity here, delivering stability lighter machines cannot sustain. Third, a full RGB LED screen with built-in Bluetooth speaker. Stream audio through the treadmill, watch speed-synced lighting shift, and track every metric hands-free. Cons: larger and heavier than pure walking pads, short learning curve for new users. Best for serious daily desk walkers treating their treadmill like real training equipment. Not for beginners wanting minimal setup. At $296, the TRAILVIBER delivers flagship performance without the flagship price. This is the right one. And there you have it, The 7 best Under Desk Treadmills in 2026. Drop a comment below. Which one matched your budget, and which one do you actually want? All the links are down in the description. If this helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.